Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the blend mode on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just going to create a circle here and another circle down here, and I'm just going to change the color of that circle to this like bright pink. Select both colors and then go to Object, Blend, and then Make. And as you can see, it creates this really cool gradient. You can use any shapes you want. So if you did like a star here and change that color, copy and paste. Actually, I want to do like rounded star shape. Change the color. You can use the blend tool here too to do that. If you want, you can, let me just undo that. Copy and paste in place and change the color of that star. Maybe like a pink one. And then here, blend it. So you can still see like the star shape either here or down here. Kind of. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, you can go to the blend mode options to adjust it if you want. You can also do specified steps for like a color palette, but make sure you select it first. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.